My name is Jennifer with the Perfect Fit Alterations in Burleson, Texas, 817-447-3522. Okay, we've cut out our pattern and we're ready. On the pattern pieces, there are little places we're going to take our chalk and mark. We mark these, so this is the collar, so that when we go to put the collar on, we'll know exactly where to put them, because we've already marked it. And each pattern piece will have little arrows where you need to mark. Okay. What we're going to do, we've cut this piece out. This is our back piece. And what we're going to do is unpin this now that we've marked it. And do a little decorating before we put this little petcoat together.